Gathering necessary supplies is the first step in preparing to wash a car. Essential car wash supplies include a bucket, car wash soap, a hose with a spray nozzle, a wash mitt, and soft towels. Using car wash soap ensures effective cleaning without damaging the vehicle's paint. Parking the car in a shady area prevents the soap from drying too quickly and causing water spots. Soft towels are used to dry the car, preventing scratches and streaks. A hose with a spray nozzle provides controlled water flow for rinsing the car. The initial step involves rinsing the car thoroughly with a hose to eliminate loose dirt and debris. Car wash soap should be mixed with water in a bucket, following the instructions on the soap container. A wash mitt is dipped into the soapy water for gentle scrubbing of the car's surface. Scrubbing should commence from the top of the car, gradually progressing downwards. The car should be rinsed frequently to remove any soapy residue. After rinsing, drying a car thoroughly with clean, soft towels is essential. Begin drying from the top of the car and work downwards to maintain efficiency. Use a patting motion rather than rubbing to prevent streaks and water spots. Detailing door jambs ensures comprehensive drying and prevents water drips. Wheels and rims require specific attention to remove water and prevent brake dust buildup. Complete drying ensures the entire car is sparkling, clean, and free from watermarks.